Welcome back, friends. And today I'd like to go over the Tai Chi form called grasp bird's tail. There. That's a pretty long form for just. There's a lot of movements for that just one form called grasp bird's tail. But with practice, you can get it down no problem, and it'll look great. So again, basically I'm just starting here from the closing. Let's see, a few things to remember is that when your arms are in, you want to exhale. Stepping and in, because your arms are going out and you're opening up, so you want to inhale. Here. And as you can see, my middle finger is at where the end of the hand and where the beginning of the wrist, this little curve, that's where your hand should be resting at when you're doing this technique. And then coming in, you can see that my hands are pretty close together, not like this. And then opening up again, it's basically palm to palm, or almost not quite wrist to wrist, but not center of the palm. More like the meat of the thumb area, around this area. Just gliding over the hands, rolling back. And here, you want to relax the shoulders. Let your shoulders relax and just sink naturally. Now face this direction so you can see the footwork. And the footwork is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Is here. Heel and then foot. Now face this direction so you can see at a different angle. And basically I'm stepping out with my left foot. That way if you want to follow along, you can see which foot I lead with. And the footwork and the hand technique, you want to try to be pretty close together, not like this and then this, or leading with the hand. So you want to try to have your upper body and lower body in harmony, working together. can see the footwork, the shoulders relax, and the intent is in front. Now, I'll do it one more time. Grasp bird's tail. So just remember the upper and lower body working together, the opening up of the lungs when your arms are out, inhaling, and when your arms are coming in, you want to exhale, because you're shrinking your chest when your arms are coming in, so you want to exhale and let the air out. And the hand position is here, right at the curvature of the hand and the wrist. And then coming back, hands pretty, not really close, not super close like this, and not far like this. I try to remember like almost where my fingertip is close to the wrist, the leading wrist. Where the wrist that's coming back, where that's going to be in the front. And here, you can see the hands here, not covering the whole palm and not wrist to wrist. But here, around this area, and you're just gently pressing. But for war and battle application, this is going to be a different energy. But for your health and for exercise, it's going to just be a gentle push. And then gliding over your hand, rolling back. And pushing. And remember to relax the shoulders. That's very important. Relax the shoulder, relax the shoulder, relax the shoulder. Very important in Tai Chi. So that form was called grasp bird's tail. And until next time, friends, have a great day.